high pressure. Sometimes high pressure can be our friend, especially if you're looking for stable weather, clear sky, and this time of year, some cooler mornings. That's exactly what's provided. The high has been moving off towards the east, so we're going to get more of a east wind pattern, and that brings in a little more moisture, and that can lead us to have a few more clouds for tomorrow. But there's still going to be sufficient sunshine, especially in the morning hours. Clear to mostly clear through sunrise, then into the midday hour, still ample sunshine will be around. Northeast to east flow taps into that Atlantic moisture and advances some scattered clouds across the Swanee Valley first, the Lapo River too, and then more towards the west as the day turns into the evening. But one thing that is missing from those clouds is rain activity. So we're going to keep the rain coverage at 0, even though the sky will not be perfectly clear throughout the entire stretch of your Saturday. Sunday is the cloudier of the 2 days, but I'd say if you have things going on tomorrow night that are kind of a prelude to Halloween, even though it's still a week away, well, your party cast for tomorrow night still looks fine. Just a few more of those clouds around, and temperatures that'll be from the 70s to the 60s. A slower temperature drop thanks to the increase in atmospheric moisture and a lot of the cloudiness that will still be around. But as I was saying, Sunday will be the cloudier of the weekend days, but not necessarily wet or stormy. That storm system in the plains will get a little kick through the Mississippi Valley. Moisture increases locally, and we can have a little spread of rain and occasional thunderstorms in our area, mostly Monday morning through the afternoon. Now, depending on how strong this area of low pressure is, we can see a couple gusty thunderstorms. I wouldn't rule that out entirely, but organized or severe weather, I'm not really seeing that coming into the data. So just be aware that Monday will be a little wetter and perhaps stormy for a few. And maybe you welcome the wetness because there's a chance that we can have maybe up to about an inch of rain. Not everybody gets that. Some may get a little bit more based on projections and others get less. But at least it's something. It's not going to break the drought entirely, but at least it gives some relief. Forecast lows for tonight in the 50s, low to mid 50s primarily. And highs will still manage to get into the 80s, maybe even some mid 80s, but the humidity values will stay in check and pretty low. Sunday, that 20% coverage again, mostly after sunset and mostly west. Monday is the best day for rain, and then maybe a couple little patches of clouds and isolated showers Tuesday and Wednesday.